Hi guys, I hope that you are doing well today. Today's video is a kind of review, kind of routine, kind of advice. This is, as you can tell by the title, an IPL at home laser hair removal system. I got one of these a while back and I just kind of stopped using it just because I was like busy and I forgot about it. I put it away somewhere like to organize and I forgot about it. But recently the brand Top Plane reached out to me to see if I wanted to try out their system, and they also offered me one for free for you guys, so I do have one for a giveaway, which we will mention later on in the video. This is what it is. I just got it a few days ago, so I've only been trying it out for a couple of days. Most laser hair removal at home will take minimum of 8 weeks to show a difference, and I didn't want to wait 8 weeks. So this is the box that it comes in, and then this is what comes inside. So you get the plug, which is actually really great. It's not a USB plug, it actually plugs into the wall. You get the actual device, and then underneath this plastic you get these snazzy sunglasses that make everything look green. They protect your eyes from the lasers. And then you also get this handy dandy little like travel bag that says Top Plane on it. And then you get, of course, the directions as well. Laser hair removal is something I've been super interested in for a long time, and I know a lot of you guys wanted me to do a video on it way back in the day, and I just kind of failed on that. Laser hair removal is, so, in my opinion, the least painful way to remove hair. So body hair. Now, before I even get into it, I do want to let you know you don't have to remove your body hair. No one should tell you you do. You don't have to. By me making this video, I'm not telling you that you have to remove your body hair. That is totally up to you. I just don't like the feeling of it. It's more about the feeling I get. Like, I sleep in shorts every night and I just don't like the feeling of hair on my legs. Obviously everyone, it's totally up to you, it's personal preference, but I have tried every hair removal method pretty much around. I have tried, of course, shaving, waxing, sugaring, epilating. You guys saw that video, I'm hoping. I've tried so many things and nothing seems to work or last for me. I'm a very hairy lady. I have very pale skin and darker hair, but the hair on my body is much darker, so like down there hair, leg hair, underarm hair, it is a lot more of a deep, dark brown color, and laser hair removal is going to be best for people, at least at home hair removal. Laser hair removal is going to be best for people who have light skin and dark hair. This is because laser hair removal, the laser pinpoints the melanin in the hair, so the darkness, the color in the hair, and burns it. So it actually burns the follicle of your hair and damages it so it doesn't grow back, and it grows back more patchy and lighter until it doesn't grow back at all. Now, if you have light skin and light hair, it's not going to show any results because there's no melanin for it to like zap. And if you have dark skin, then the laser won't know whether to grasp at the hair or at your skin, and it can actually burn your skin. So at home laser hair removal is going to be best for people who have light skin and dark hair like me. So I did want to let you guys know that if you have a different skin tone or hair type or hair color, it might not work for you. So I would not recommend it for those people. I also want to let you know there is a thing in here that does give you a list of medications, health issues, if you're pregnant, all these things not to use this machine. It isn't, I wouldn't say it's dangerous, but these are precautions, so just talk to your doctor, I would say. For me, I don't have very sensitive skin on my body, so this is something I was totally fine with because I have tried laser hair removal at home in the past and had not had any bad reactions to it. I was totally fine with this. This system right here that I just showed you, it's under $100 on Amazon, and I just think that is awesome, because if you have looked into laser hair removal like I have, it's like over $1,000 a session, and I think you need like 9 to 12, so that's a lot. And the reason I really liked this when they reached out to me, I did look into it to make sure it was like safe and everything. It has 7 levels on it, which I thought was really cool. That means whether you are sensitive, have more sensitive skin or not, or if you've never used laser hair removal, you can lower this setting and not have it be as strong. Levels 1 through 2 on here are going to be for skin rejuvenation, which I don't really know about that, but the hair removal is levels 3 to 7. Now for me, I can put it on level 7 and not have any reaction. Some people are going to be a little bit more sensitive to that. They might cause some redness or warmth to the skin. It didn't do anything like that for me. I also, in my experience, find laser hair removal like this not to hurt at all. Most people would describe it as being like hit by like a rubber band. I don't get that feeling. I get more of just like a flash of warmth. It's kind of like, I guess, if someone took a hot fork out of like a hot dishwasher and kind of hit you with it real quick. Like, I don't know how to even describe it. It's like zero pain for me. It's a little bit of warmth. That's how I would describe it. Another thing I really liked about this system is that they have an auto button. So this is what it looks like. It's very, very lightweight, super easy to use. This side button right here is the power button. And that is also how you adjust the levels, and then this button is the button that actually simulates the laser. So what I really liked about this, it actually has an auto system, so if you hold this button down, it will continuously light and flash the laser every time you move it. Now I do want to let you know, if you're going to use this, you do have to have it, this little screen right here is the area that flashes, so you're going to have to move this across your leg everywhere you want to do this repeatedly, and this will flash a light, but it only works if your skin is 90 degrees on it. So it won't work if your skin's like this, or like this, or like this, or like that. It has to be 90 degrees on your skin. Another thing about this system, and pretty much every laser hair removal, is you're going to want to clean shaven legs beforehand. So that is why when it's called laser hair removal, it's not removing your hair right away. It's a long term, like actually getting it out from the root and killing it. You want to have clean shaven legs because, like I said, the laser gets into the root and fries it pretty much. So it needs to have access to the root, and if your hair is actually coming up from the skin, what it's going to do is fry that hair, and you're going to smell like a burning hair smell, and it's not going to be able to get down to the root like it should. So you do want to have clean shaven legs. You don't want any lotion or oil or anything. So I use this when I get out of the shower before using any lotion, and then when I'm done, then I will use a lotion or something. Another thing that's great about this system, especially for the price, is that it has 600,000 flashes in it. So each system is going to be different that you would buy. This system has a lot, 600,000. That means it's a last that long, like that's very long. You do have to plug it in while you use it. It has quite a long cord, and this one isn't loud at all. Kind of like if your laptop fan came on. Now they do recommend in the directions, and pretty much any laser hair removal at home system I've researched says you're going to want to start with this more often and then slowly decrease, because you should be able to. So you would start when you first get this using it 3 to 4 times a week after you shave, and then after about 3 to 4 weeks, I would say, then you can narrow it down to maybe twice a week, and then once you start noticing that your hair is growing back thinner or more patchy, you can lower that down, and by 8 weeks is what they recommend. You should be able to do this once a week. I would extend that a little more, closer to 12 weeks, just based on my experience, but this is something I really, really enjoy, something I'm going to continue using now that I have more time on my hands. I really, really am enjoying it. I've been using it for about a week now, like I said, and I don't have any bad side effects. Something that's very common is to have some redness or a little bit of irritation, dryness on your skin. I haven't experienced any of that. The only experience I get is like once I'm done doing both my legs and I've put lotion on, maybe like 10 minutes later I'll feel a little like tingling in my legs, but it's nothing uncomfortable, nothing painful. I mean, even if it weren't to take away all my hair and prevent it from growing out of the back, but just kind of the thicker areas like the ankle, the underarm, I would be very happy about it. You can also use this on your face for like mustache hairs, even in here if you want to. If this does interest you and you do want to check it out, I would highly recommend it. I will leave their link down below for you to check them out, and as you can tell by the title, this has a giveaway involved. So Top Lane did reach out to me to try their product for free, and they did send me a second one also for you guys, so I do have a fresh box, never opened or anything, to send to one of you lucky viewers who wants to try this out. So I will have giveaway rules and instructions down below in the description box of this video. It's going to be really easy to enter. Pretty sure the rules are going to be to be subscribed to my channel, and then leave a comment down below letting me know why you want to try this, and then leave some way I can contact you, whether that be Instagram DM, Twitter DM, or, you know, maybe even email address if you feel comfortable sharing that. I think I will be leaving this giveaway open for about 2 weeks, and then I will pick a winner randomly and DM you, and also probably announce it on my Instagram stories, so make sure you are following me there if you have an Instagram. Thank you so much to Top Lane for sending this to me. I'm really excited about this because, like I said, being home right now, I'm super bored, so I have some extra time on my hands, and doing something like this is actually really great. I just wanted to say thank you to them, thank you to you guys for watching. I hope you go and check out the Top Lane laser hair removal system, and thank you so much for watching, and good luck when you enter.